What is up, guys? So I got a game plan. I wanted to get a game plan together before I get started. So ignore the Zaxby's. We're grubbing, me and Becky. Her and my mom about to come down. We're all about to just hang out. So I needed a game plan. So this is a piece of plastic. I forgot what it exactly was, but a piece of plastic. I ordered a plastic welder. And I'm going to try to plastic weld these imperfections. So this is one. I'm going to try my luck on this one, see how I do. And then after that, I'm going to come over here and try to repair this one. Because this one is absolutely destroyed. But the idea is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a washer, add some material at the bottom, and basically the washer should be big enough for wherever the hole is. But the bolt I'm going to use, oh, well, that's gone. I'm going to just go here. Go here. But the idea is to get it as strong as I could on the bottom side, but then on the top side, try to repair it a tad bit without compromising it being leveled. And if all goes well, the bumper will be completely repaired and it could go on the Malibu. Yeah. So that's literally what's stopping me from throwing the bumper on, by the way, is literally these. And because of the bumper over there going through what it went through, that's because of the piping. Because I think I showed y'all the piping, but basically it came out too far. Like, if y'all see, that's a straight 90 going straight back to where it needs to, into a 45. And this is it went in from a 90 to another 90, and it just came out too far for the fog lights on this car. It's just too tight. Not too tight, but too big is what I want to say. So if all goes well, this will be repaired, and it would have been like $20. But the kit comes with all of this, so it's pretty sick. I may not even use that piece I told y'all. It comes with all these bigger pieces. I may use one of the black ones because again, I'm trying to make it stronger. So if I can make that stronger and make it into one brick down here realistically, I'll just get a longer bolt and I'll figure it out from there. But with the plastic welder, I'm gonna use this to flatten it and make it smooth on the bottom side. So hopefully that works out. They come with multiple, even long ones, a shorter but a wider one. This is one that's like in the middle. It came with these cutters for these. I was originally going to use these, but I'm going to test my luck with just adding material and seeing how that works. And hopefully with me doing all this, adding a washer on the bottom side with material will also help the strength of this. Because unfortunately, the Malibu people know, if you take your bumper off and on, this ends up getting beat up. Even these, no one makes a plate for this yet. So hopefully a company will soon. That'd be awesome. But yeah, we're gonna try to fix that. And if we get that fixed, shoot, I'll have one car that has no bumper and I'll be so happy. We got tires coming for the Q, so that's good. Now I just gotta get tires for the Malibu. The tires on the Q are so expensive. They were like $750. So I'm gonna get some all seasons like I had on the Malibu. I may downsize the tires, so I may go a little smaller, because when I do go bagged, I at least want to have decent fitment. It won't be terrible with the size on there, but I just want to have it a little tighter. These are two 55 40s and 19s, so I think I just want to downsize just a tad bit. But I mean, if I didn't, it wouldn't hurt. But you know, the little stretch look on a tire is always a good look. So I'm gonna try to do what I told y'all, but the problem is I need another set of hands, so I may wait until Becky come back down, because I was going to use these to crimp it down. But the issue is I'm gonna just show y'all, when I'm crimping it down in one spot, it's lifting like that kind of. So I don't need that. I want to be able to just, you know, do it. So I'm gonna use this to start off, to get the washer planted on there, at least sturdy, and give her some like needle nose pliers and just tell her to hold it and go from there. But yeah, we'll see. This is my first time plastic welding. Apparently there's a whole profession for this. I didn't even know that. The more you know, right? So yeah, can't wait to give you guys a update on the Eclipse. Your boy got so many parts. I got this. This is the roof spoiler. I gotta drop these off to my boy that has the car. He's helping me with a whole custom trunk setup. He also got his friends doing a headliner for me. And that's not going to be nothing fancy. It's just going to be black suede, guys. I'm not going crazy like I did with the Malibu. But, and then Charlie got the other miscellaneous parts that I need. So, and then this is a shifter. Your boy figured out how to delete the OEM shifter through research and other fellow Eclipse people. Oh, well, if I can't get this open, guys, I may not be able to show y'all. Uh-oh. Sheesh. I won't be able to show y'all. There we go. Look at that. Carbon shift knob. And this mod is something that's also going to be, it's not going to be redone, but it's something I was going to end up doing anyway to the Eclipse when I go manual and everything. So I'll already have everything for that. But yeah, the main project is that Bertha over there. So we're going to get that together and figure it out and see how it goes. All right. Them ass. My brothers helped me. Well, more like he's trying to run. They're both trying to run. So my brother, Jacquard, he definitely came in clutch with this one. I needed him to hold it steady. But as y'all see, we welded all that. To my plastic welders that have this as a profession, don't judge my work. This was my first time ever doing it. But I can already feel like the difference in it. It's way stronger than what it was before. I'm showing y'all this side so y'all can see. Like, there was nothing wrong with that. But on this side, it actually cracked down here. And I did not know that. But I plastic welded this side. I'm not going to touch this side. But I put it together as, well, close together as I could. And I just welded because you could kind of see how, well, it was split here on the inner side, but again, I added plastic. I may come back and add a little bit more, but y'all see I added the washer there. You can see it through there on both sides. That, man, is so funny. And yeah, so right now we're just waiting for my mother and Becky to get back, and then me and my brother are going to throw on the bumper and see how it works. But it already feels stronger. Again, I may go and add some more. Like, I think it's fine. Just me being me. Oh, perfect timing. They're back. Perfect timing. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. Alrighty, boys. We got it. Gap is good. Again, it's just temporary. I ended up melting, come on, focus, melting this top part because it was ripping again, but it's on there. It's sturdy. Got the bolts up here holding on, and this side has always been like this. I don't know why, but that side's good. And we are back with the bumper, so definitely looks good. Definitely needed it. This guy, Becky and mother are harassing me over there. Oh, you bitch. Yeah, look at that. I can't wait to get those front wheels on. Or the rear wheels on. These wheels fit the car a lot. But yeah, boys, that is it. Literally, all you're doing is one hand, you got the plastic welder, you're just holding it. and you're just going up and down on the pause, no diddy. You're just going to graze the plastic on there. There's a bunch of plastic weld videos on there, so it should be sweet, but it's on there. It's good. It's temporary. Again, whenever, if this car ever decides to go to the body shop, that's when this guy
I'm just trying to
this guy whenever this car goes to the body shop, that'll all get situated. So yeah, cool beans. We need some tires. Tires need to get ordered ASAP. Look at that. Dang. More and more maintenance, but it'll get ordered. Already got the tires for the Q on the way. Literally, they'll be here Thursday. Next check, I'm going to be ordering a full set for this car, and then we're going to go to my boy Cornelius, take both the Q, the Malibu, and the Blazer, because the tires will be in the Blazer, along with those extra ones over there. And yeah, we're there. We're almost there. So slowly but surely, nice King Boo's going to be coming back out of the whole fleet. I think this is the only he. You know, I got a question for y'all. Hey, you too. Also, what do y'all think the name of the Malibu King Boo? King Boo? You don't get it?
Mario game.
I hate you.
You said you like
Because you're OG. I would have thought you said something else.
You just said you like Dragon Ball.
Thank you.
2 days ago.
Thank you. Dragon Ball, King Boo, Majin Buu.
It's not.
God, I can't stand her. But it's not pink, but, you know. They had well, he was gray, but Majin Buu was gray.
I am calling him Mr. Popo. This is now Mr. Popo. It's no longer Malibu. Mr. Popo. Don't zoom in on me.
I got both of y'all earlier. Yeah, he did blind the camera. I think this is the only he in the fleet. I think we're going to go with King Boo. I'm going to get a custom plate. It says King Boo.
And then get it
No,
pink.
it's supposed to be
Actually
Ghost.
look like or be something like
B-U, Boo. Ghost Boo.
Or
You mean- You mean BOO?
No, B-U.
Blind this camera one more time. Yeah, you're good. Thank you for your help again. Oh. What? No.
Yeah.
No, because the Blazer is right there. You can park right there.
Park.
I'm not moving the car right now. I'm about to relax.
Oh, well, he can move.
Listen,
to Malibu.
what did we just talk about? Didn't I say leave me alone?
Friends, I am single.
What? Don't you be advertising your status here, okay? I will, Brand, I'm about to borrow your water.
What?
We're about to fight.
This actually.
She been drinking too much. Dang, I'm about to fight her. I'm not in your face, technically.
Out of my face. Out of my face. Out of my face. Oh my gosh.
They said out of your
You want
face.
some of this smoke? Yeah, that's what I thought. You stop defending them. I'm gonna blind you.
It's a good
Dang.
transition. You can transition for
Dang, can't stand these people. No, not yet. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure something out. I gotta figure out a custom license plate tag for this car. It's paid off. I definitely want one for it.
You still getting on the game?
Yeah, I'll be on later. All right, buddy. But yeah, so let me know what y'all think on the custom plate. Definitely need one, even though this plate is so easy to remember. But I want a custom plate. So, yeah. Peace out, guys. Thank y'all for the little quick, short stop through. Thank you for the likes, comments, subscribe. Or thank you for commenting, and subscribing. And definitely want to keep trying to pump out content for y'all. I need the lip. Once I get the lip and the side skirts, aesthetically, this car's good, other than, bags. But, yeah, so everything's a process. But, peace out, guys. Just a quick video of the Malibu with the front bumper. Miss it. Oh, my God. Me and Lamont still got to do the fog lights. This car, just a whole rendering. Dang, she's trying to blind people. But, yeah, just throwing this clip in there, guys.